TMC has a short interest of around 17%. By current standards, that is really not a lot as such. These days we see 100%, 72%, so 17% is really not that fantastic. Okay. The stock is easy to borrow. Okay. As things stand right now, it's unchanged in the pre market session of Wednesday, the 14th of January 2026. The stock has been consolidating within a longer term bullish trend, I would just say, since the 31st of October. And the extrapolation of its 3 day moving average is saying that lower prices may continue to print up till the 18th of February. Then after that, it might attempt to bounce. And yeah, it might attempt to bounce. And between now and then, the 40-day moving average is also positioning to ensure that no reasonable expansion occurs. So the stock is expected to trade within within the shape here, within this area formed by the extrapolation of the 40-day moving average and the 30-day moving average. But before then, before then, I think it's also expected to trade before, let's see now, before Friday the 16th. It's also expected to trade within this Chinese space. So as a matter of fact, expect the sort of reaction, sort of outcomes you have seen already. Yesterday it lost 2.14%. So that is minor. Those are just that's an incremental. That's a fractional change. So expect such outcomes up till Friday the 16th. Okay. Then after that, it might begin to either go volatile, yeah, or attempt, to bounce. It may become a lot freer. You might begin to see more volatility. The losses may get bigger, and the bounces might also get bigger as well. In the midst of all that, you may also find that it may bounce. So all in all, it's saying that from the 16th or from the 19th of this month, that is this coming Monday the 19th of January, you should maybe begin to see bigger reactions. If it's plunging, you might see it react. You might see it plunge a lot more reasonably. Okay, especially from the 29th of January. Yeah, that expects bigger reactions or bigger outcomes then. But in the interim, just based on what we have here, based on these extrapolations, expect such outcomes. There is absolutely no guarantee that this is what is going to happen at all. So projections are currently saying 5.14, 5.58, 6.29, 7.96, 8.66, and 9.1. Momentum is expected to continue to decay towards towards the 13th of February. Then after that, it might begin to pick up as well. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, yeah, more weakness is expected. Yeah. So for today and up till tomorrow, the 15th, is also more of a contraction. More of a contraction is expected. The 40 period moving average is currently expected to moderate the decline. But by tomorrow as well, in the regular session, it's expected to expand. That the contraction may become a lot more volatile. But it's also indicating that a bounce might kick in from Friday. We'll see how all of that will go. So yeah, here you can see momentum expected to continue to decay and then pick up from Thursday the 15th, okay, in the post-market session. So here the projections are saying pretty much like what we saw on the daily chart: 5.05, 5.46, 6.11, 7.61, 7.89, and 8.06. Okay, so that's what's going on with the stock. We could also try and apply the market grid. We'll see what it's going to give us. Let's see. Okay, the market greed we have between 7.56 and 7.1. Okay, the stock is currently trading at 7.32. So it's right over here in between the resistance and the support. So yeah, not a lot, nothing here fantastic. They're all fractionally at a discount or at a premium to the current price. So nothing here fantastic as such. So see what you make of TMC, and thank you very much for watching this video.